We're exploring the use of virtual reality for training people how to perform tasks, such as operating and maintaining complex equipment. This video will describe Steve, an intelligent agent we're developing to assist in the training. Virtual reality provides a three-dimensional, interactive mock-up of the student's work environment, allowing them to practice tasks. The student, who's wearing a head-mounted display, appears as a floating head in the virtual world. Here we see the world through the eyes of a third-party observer watching the student. Steve, an intelligent agent, cohabits the virtual world with students to help them.
Hello. Okay. Let me show you how to perform the pre-start procedure. Always perform this procedure before starting the compressor to make sure everything is in working order. I will now check the oil level in the compressor crankcase sump. First, pull out the dipstick. Now we can check the oil level on the dipstick. It should be between the L and H marks. As you can see, the oil level is normal. Next, insert the dipstick. I will now perform a functional check of the temperature monitor to make sure that all the alarm lights are functional. First, press the function test button. This will trip all the alarm switches, so all the alarm lights should illuminate. Now we can check the alarm lights. All the alarm lights are illuminated, so they are all working properly. Next, press the read reset button to reset the alarm switches and extinguish the alarm lights. Look over here.
Steve is trying to demonstrate a step, and he can tell that the student is not looking. The student undid Steve's last action, forcing Steve to revise his plan.
Excuse me, I need to insert the dipstick again. I will now perform a functional check of the condensate drain monitor to make sure that all the alarm lights are functional.
Let me finish.
Okay, you finish.
Steve uses speech recognition to understand a variety of simple requests. The student asked to finish the task, so now Steve will monitor the student's actions and provide assistance.
What should I do next, Steve?
I would press the function test button on the condensate drain monitor.
Why?
We need to press the function test button on the condensate drain monitor because we want to trip the switches that trigger the alarm lights.
Why?
We want to trip the switches that trigger the alarm lights because it will allow us to check the drain monitor alarm lights.
Show me.
Press the function test button on the condensate drain monitor.
Steve is expecting the student to press the lower button to extinguish the alarm lights, but the student is about to erroneously close a valve.
No.
What next?
I would open the cutout valve for stage 1.
Steve suggests that the student correct the error before proceeding. Now the student will complete the task.
That concludes the task. Well done.